Hello and welcome to another video about AI. Today, we are talking about how AI can be used in space exploration. Keep watching till the end of this video to know more about adoption of AI technologies and the impact they have on our world. AI has the potential to play a significant role in space exploration by taking on various tasks such as analyzing data, managing spacecraft, and assisting astronauts. Here are a few examples of how AI is being used or could be used in space exploration. Data analysis. AI can help process and analyze large amounts of data collected from spacecraft, satellites, and other space-based instruments. This can help scientists and engineers identify patterns and trends that might not be apparent to humans. Spacecraft management. AI can be used to monitor the health and performance of spacecraft, alerting humans when attention is needed and even taking corrective action when necessary. This can help reduce the workload of ground-based engineers and allow spacecraft to operate more autonomously. Astronaut assistance. AI can assist astronauts with tasks such as monitoring the spacecraft systems, managing the mission schedule, and providing real-time recommendations based on data collected by the spacecraft. Planetary exploration. AI can be used to help navigate and explore other planets and moons. For example, AI could be used to identify interesting features on a celestial body's surface and plan a path for a rover to follow to investigate them further. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and interesting. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Subscribe for more interesting videos about AI.